How to delete Lyft account permanently. If you have been using the Lyft application and wondering on how to delete the account permanently, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Lyft application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this. Now tap onto You button at the bottom. Select it. Then scroll down and here you can find the Help button. Tap on it. Then here you can find Profile and Account. Select it. Then again tap on to Edit Profile or Account. Just right here. Then here you can find your Delete My Account. Now if you request to delete your Lyft data, we will delete your account and information to the extent required by applicable law. So you need to request to delete your Lyft account first and they will respond within 45 days of your request. And that's it. This is the way that you can delete your Lyft account permanently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.